How you doing today? Welcome. My hair is all gone. I got a haircut. And let me tell you, 6 on the little trimmer guard. Quite low, actually. Normally I deal with like 2s and 3s, and so I was like, oh, a 6 has to be like double that length. I was like, it's gotta be super long. No, it's only like 3/4. And tell you what, it's quite short. I haven't had this kind of haircut since like 5th grade. It's very, very short, but whatever. I actually cut it myself with help from my mom, actually, but I cut it at home. It's pretty cool. My goal is to be able to cut my hair like every week, every 2 weeks. That way it always looks the same. Because the problem I have is like it'll grow out, it'll be super long, and then I'll go to like cut to where it's like, super, it's like short and it's the way I want it, but it's only there for like 2 weeks, right? It's only there for like a week, maybe a week and a half. So it's like you don't ever get to like have the haircut you want for very long. So it's like, why don't we just do it ourselves? So I don't know. That's one of the skills we're trying to learn. But anyways, welcome to the stream today. We're going to be working on CADing up the next version of our trimmer. Even though I made it back in June and I was like, I'm going to get working on it. I have not been working on it at all, sadly. But here it is. Here's the version 2.0. A big upgrade from the version 1.2 and 1.1s and all that stuff. It's actually like 3D printed now. It's amazing. And fun fact, this guy won some money. This guy actually helped us win some money. That was pretty cool. If you're interested in hearing about that, maybe I'll make a video about it. It'll be one of our like Monday or Friday bonus videos and everything like that. I'm not sure if I want to. I think I want to have a bonus video on Monday, I think. We'll see. But I got to start making some more bonus videos. We'll see. I got to get better at editing. Been very lazy recently, I'll be honest. But yeah, we're working on making the next version of this because this one doesn't have any mounts on the bottom for like a guard, right? There's no guard holes or anything. So this is it. This is what would trim. So I want to go ahead, make a guard on the back, make a guard on the top even. We have a specific need for like a guard on top. And I want to make a better thing and just overall improve it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're doing that today, actually. So let me go ahead and set up the R6 quickly to get a shot for like the final video, and then we will get started. Hold on. Oh, by the way, if you're here, subscriber for the channel for cameras, look at this guy. R6. Ooh, what a beauty. Fantastic. So good. What a good camera. Okay, give me 1 second. No carding can't. Crap. Oh, it's in the surface. Oh, come on, computer, turn on. My SD card slot. Bam. Okay. That's gonna film in 24 anyway, so who cares? Wow, look who came out today, chat. The sun. Holy moly. Gotta lower the ISO. Okay, there we go. We can actually move it over just a little bit more. But I got a couple of videos that I'm working on. That'll end up being on the right side, right? So we can, that's fine, whatever. Alright, so here is our original trimmer, the one that I just showed. Right, here is this part of the housing. We have another part on top, which, by the way, I want to get rid of these little, like, whoops, you can't even see it. Well, here is our original trimmer, right here it is. It's the one I just showed you, the T2.0. So we have the bottom housing here. Then we have a top housing. One of my goals also is to get rid of these little like outcroppings here. I don't like these. I want to like put them inside the walls, so you can just tighten a bolt through it and everything like that. I would love to be able to actually 3D print the like bolts, like 3D print the threads into it. So we'll have to see about doing that, I think, in the future. That'd be cool if we could do that. Maybe we'll put it like in the walls. Maybe we would have a section where it like comes out. Because it's pretty good at printing outward. It's just that it prints outward and then has like an open circle, and so it's kind of weird. And so like this portion here, it doesn't like. Yeah, it doesn't like 3D printing on air, which, I mean, I don't blame it. But yeah, this was it. Very simple concept here. T2.1. Now, I went a little bit above and beyond, and a little bit extreme here. I made like, I made a tapered wall, which I thought was going to be kind of cool, but it actually really just kind of like hinders everything. It's actually not that, like, it is cool, but I don't think it's going to be very practical. I think we'll just leave it as vertical for now, and we'll actually just bring everything tighter, because I really wanted to have it be like smaller. I don't have the T2.0 in here, but it's not that much smaller than the other one. So, but I do kind of like the design of having a little bit more like open area back here and like less of like a thing here, having these on the sides. So I think we might try and do that. So we will let me go and rename this. Aditya, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing good today. I'm gonna rename this as like old. Put a big capital old in there. But how you doing? Welcome to our trimmer CAD stream. Hope you're doing good today. The one named is old. So here's the problem I have. What we're gonna do for the guard is we're actually gonna do a revolve feature, right? So the thing I have here is I have like this flat thing, and then the top kind of arcs down at some point, and then it's all very square. What we're actually gonna do is take this center axis, and we're actually gonna make something on the like the right side plane, and then actually go ahead and just revolve it around. That way we can go ahead and get a nice curve over here, and it won't be so like so boxy, because it looks kind of bad, I'll be honest. So we'll name this old. Oh, I didn't put a space, dang it. You're doing good? Think your videos are good? Keep going? Well, thank you very much. That's awesome of you. Yeah, sometimes I do feel like sometimes I'm like, oh man, my videos are like terrible, because I'm always comparing them to like actual, like, you know, people who have been making videos for like 5 years, and it's really bad. You shouldn't be comparing yourself to like people who have been making videos for like, you know, 5 years. But I'm always like, dang it, I'm like, they don't look very good. But sometimes they're good. I just gotta put more effort into them. I want to go through and I want to get a lot more editing and stuff like that. My problem is like, I never have very much to say. I'm like, well, I have it all said, you know? I don't know. I got to start like incorporating like a better story and stuff like that. I always feel like they're kind of like meh. But we'll see. I appreciate it, man. It's very awesome of you. Thank you very much. Where am I from? I'm from the United States, actually. That's where I'm from. Okay. Where is our other one? We need to actually, I need to go ahead and pull this up. Where is my other edge window? I need this over here. Hey, look, there's you, champ. Okay. T 2.0 parts, bottom housing. So, we need to start off with this guy. The base. Let's see, let's start off with something similar to this. Now I want to start off with something similar to this, right? Where we have the like outcropping here. Maybe we'll just, what if we duplicate this actually? What if we duplicate? This is the housing copy. Yep. All right, sweet. There's that. Okay. Ba-da-ba-doo. All right. Let's get rid of all of this. Just delete. So we'll work with this flat base here. And then what we'll do is we'll make it go vertical again. Oh, it's not gonna work, is it? Dang it. 8 useful camera features in your drone videos are good. Oh, thank you, thank you. The drone actually crashed, by the way. If you haven't watched that video, I did crash the drone. Although good thing, yesterday I ordered a replacement drone. I ordered a new Mavic Mini. You can get like just the drone without like the battery and everything. It's a little bit cheaper. So spoiler alert, I did order a drone. So we'll I'll be going over that hopefully one day. But the 8 camera features. Thank you. I kind of took a spin off of Peter's 9 camera hacks from like 5 years ago. Did my own little like rendition on it and everything. So I don't ever make very like fast-paced videos, and that was like a different style, and it was cool. Also, the first video where I used my top-down, my top-down angle, which is pretty cool. What is this? A corner rectangle? Why didn't that? That's so weird. I appreciate that. That's super kind of you to say. Okay, we gotta do all this. We gotta get this arc in here. Okay, and the other one is like an 1/8 thick, I think. How thick is this wall? Housing wall. It's a 1/4. Let's go down to like an 1/8. Yeah, let's go to an 1/8. Comment review in a vid. Tell me with it. Nice. Well, thank you very much. That's awesome. Well, thank you for subscribing. That's very kind of you. Every time I get a subscriber, I'm like, holy cow, people actually are watching these videos. That's incredible. So we're gonna have a new, oh shoot, I'm still recording. Oh my god, 10-minute video. God. You know, I gotta go through and actually edit. You know what, though? Hold on, I haven't actually done anything designing work. Hold on. Okay, we'll reset that one. We're actually gonna go through and take that short, like 1-minute video, and I'm gonna go through and kind of expand on that, hopefully for next week's video, and go like more in depth into those features and like why I use those. So yeah, do I stream regularly? I've been trying to stream on Saturday mornings, which is like right now, somewhere around this time, maybe a little bit earlier, maybe not. I don't really know how. I haven't really gotten into a big groove of it yet, but yeah, we're trying to stream every Saturday. mainly because I don't get stuff done on time. So I'm trying to like get more stuff done. And this is a way to like force myself to actually get stuff done. So if I have to stream it, I'm like, well, I guess I can go ahead and do it. Okay, so there's that. Now we got to go through and so this is the housing wall. Something important I've learned, chat, when you're making CAD models is to go through and label all of your sketch stuff. Because when you come back to it and you're looking at like sketch 1, sketch 2, sketch 3, extrusion 1, extrusion 6, it's like sometimes you just get lost. Falcon shaft hole 0.75, okay. And that I believe just goes on the center point, or as they call it, the origin. Hole 0.775. I'm also not sure if you're interested in 3D printing at all, chat, but we're trying to do some more 3D printing videos. So we will try and get some more of those and stuff like that. I actually really enjoy 3D printing. It scares me a lot. But it is cool. I love 3D printing. Being able to like take a design from your head and stuff like that. It's very cool. Falcon shaft hole. Gotta go back and see if it's possible. Oh, hey, thank you very much for stopping by, Aditya. I appreciate it. Thank you for hanging out. Thanks for chatting. You're actually the first ever person to chat in my streams, so I appreciate it. You can take that as an honor, I guess. But thank you for hanging out with me. Thanks for chatting. Thanks for your kind words. I appreciate it. And yeah, have a great day, man. Appreciate it. Hopefully your Saturday goes well. Or if it's Sunday for you, then good luck with your Sunday. Okay. There's that. Now we need to go through mounting holes. This is great. I gotta bring this over here. But yeah, thanks for being here, man. Appreciate it. Why is there a hole? Oh, because I was going to... No, that wouldn't even make sense. Why is there a hole there? Huh. I don't know. Alright, so here for the mounting holes. We will do that. And that. We need 6. Nope, not 7. Dang it. 7. 6. There we go. And dimension of the outside. Oh shoot, this is a inscribed circle. I need to circumscribed. Dimension this to be 2 inches. And then we will horizontal this guy. Bam. And 6. Okay. Oh, and then we gotta have a hole. Where does it go? Here and there? Here and there? Yes. Okay. Hole. And these are what? 201s? 201. 0.201. Fantastic. Okay, sweet. Now we need to go back to our assembly here. Let's go back to our assembly. Let's get rid of the guard. Get rid of the guard. We'll get rid of that. And then that's the Falcon. We need to go through and actually get that one mated on here. Hold on. Fasten you to the bottom hole. Which one of the things I need to do before I actually can put all of this into the thing, we can actually, before I ever 3D print this though, we need to actually test out the screen. I have a screen that I want to put on here. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we'll see. Okay, and we're gonna actually fix this. Is it still called old? Oh, it is here. I was gonna say I thought I fixed it. T2.1 assembly. Okay, T2.1 bottom. Okay, and then we can go ahead and revolve. Take that to the center. Sweet. And now the troublesome part of trying to do this. Oh, it's like actually already lined up perfectly. Wow, it actually... That actually... Oh, you know why it's lined up perfectly? Because we actually already had it in this position. Whoops. That would make sense, wouldn't it? No, I need to take that connector. The bottom of the T2.1. To that. There we go. And solve. Beautiful. And then go back to full section view. Turn section view off. Sweet. Alright. Now what we should be able to do is we should be able to take these holes. T2.0 bottom housing. And take the hero board holes. Hero board holes. Okay. So let's go. So how is our assembly? Our assembly looks good. Now, how much room do we have on this thing? Right, so this is kind of like the key thing. Right, I don't want all. We have all this room up here. I don't want all this, just because it is cool to have all of this like space up here. Right, it is cool to have all of this space. You can kind of fit a wire up there, but it's really not necessary. It's really like it's kind of just like wasted space. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. What is the diameter of this circle? 3. Diameter, radius of, diameter of 2. Diameter of 2.362. Okay, well we have that open over there, so we'll look at that over there. So we'll go to the housing base. We'll make this, let's just say make it 3 for now, I guess. We'll make it 3. Okay, that's pretty close. We'll go a little bit. Can we go 2.875? Just reduce it by a little bit. Oh yeah, easy. Easy, okay. Now I kind of want to like try and squeeze this stuff in. Right? I kind of want to like try and do that. So if I say this, that's got to be that. But what kind of angle do I have? Let's say about like a 110. Maybe a 115. It's kind of extreme. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. How does that compare to our old one? The T2.0 bottom housing. I guess we can take it from there, right? So it is a little bit further back. Right? It's got a little bit further back because of that. We'll have to see what we can do for that. I've really got to go through and like put some wires in there though before I shrink. I think this is good for now. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty decent. Okay. T2.0 parts, T2.0 bottom housing, hero board holes. Okay. Now what we have to do is take a sketch, go 1, 2, 3, 4, bam. We missed that one up there. Okay, and I want to say view normal too. But I also need to section view this off. Okay, sweet. And then we can view normal too. So dimension U to U needs to be 1.64. And U to U is 2.74. And then we go horizontal, U, 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 and vertical, bam, 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 bam. Sweet. Make a construction line there with a midpoint of here and a midpoint here. Vertical these two guys. Sweet. And then we'll dimension U by 0.125. And hopefully that'll all out. Maybe we need to go a little bit bigger. We got it by a quarter. 0.25. Sweet. And what are the hole sizes at 0.15? Yes. Hole size of 0.15. 0.15. Don't need any of that. Nope. Bam. Bam. Okay. Turn off section view. And then we'll go back to our assembly. And now this guy should line up. We had a hard time at the angle. It like really did not like the angle that it was at. And this one should line up perfectly. Perfect. You know, if it's easier to CAD, it's probably easier to use in the real life. I'm gonna guess that since it was hard to CAD, it probably would have been hard to get right in real life as well. All right, now we go ahead and duplicate that. So we need to view, section view, enter, view normal to. It's because we don't have a sketch yet. I think next week we'll probably do some more photo editing, since I know a lot of you guys are here for camera stuff and not necessarily CAD. What? You guys aren't here for the CAD? No, I know. I need to, I have to get these done. So this kind of gives me a reason to keep myself like in check and like in line and everything. Okay, and let's also make this off-center just that way we don't get the wrong midpoint. Vertical dimension 0.25. And actually, you know what we can do? Watch this, chat. Watch this. Boom, that is below your mind. Hero board holes. What's it called? It's not called a solder board. It's called a breakout board. Okay, I've got to stop this recording. It's like a 17-minute record. Oh my gosh. You know, I complained last time I didn't have any footage of me CADing anything. Well, take that. Now I've got I've got so much recording space. Holy cow. Take that. Okay. I see the sun's gone away a little bit. Hero board holes. Wasn't even hero board holes. These are Falcon mounting holes. But we have been having an issue. For those of you that actually are here for like SnapMaker and 3D printing and everything like that, we actually have been having an issue where the SnapMaker will actually print, it'll get like halfway through, and then it'll just start like bird's nesting, or it'll just start like layer shifting entirely. My dad's been the one that's been making the G code. I need to go make a G code, which is actually why I want to get this finished so I can actually go ahead and print this and stuff. But yeah, we've been having some issues where it actually like it's just been like weirdly like failing. And I'm not sure why. But yeah. And it really bugs me because it's like, dang it, I really, you know, that's one of the things for why I don't do much 3D printing, is just because it's kind of scary. You know, something goes wrong slightly and I'm like, uh-oh. We can rename those. Oh man, I totally should rename those, but I don't really want to. Okay, so we can take it anywhere above that hole. Yeah. Yeah, anywhere above that hole. Ooh, I've got like a headache today. Probably because I was playing games literally all day yesterday. I was going to make videos yesterday. I was going to edit stuff. And then I started playing Minecraft yesterday. And let me tell you what, man. Minecraft is a very, very fun game. Terrible because it like, you're literally just like, oh, I could play this for a little bit. And then you're sitting there and you're like, well, I played this for like ages. .5. Keep the numbers basic. I wish you could reference other dimensions. I don't know how to do that. I wish you could though. 0.177, right? I believe for number 8s. So there is that. How thick is this, by the way? Quarter. Let's make this an eighth. Oh, but then I'm gonna... Oh, you know, if it's an issue, I can just put a spacer. I was gonna say, I don't know how far in the bolts go. To make sure it doesn't interfere with the stuff, but... Okay, so there is that. Now this one looks way cooler because it's like slanted and everything. Right, it looks cooler. It makes it look smaller compared to just like the up. This one looks kind of basic and stuff, but it's whatever. Okay, and then we need to go through and make this giant slot. Is there any way we can like have something that like slides in maybe? I guess we could always just take this and just make a piece that like, oh yeah, we could actually just make a piece that actually is like that, and it just like, right, later in there down the road. Maybe it's like an accent piece. It would look kind of cool. All right, well, let's make that. It is 1/2 inch up, 1/4 inch from the side, and okay. This is for the actual access for the cable to go through and update the hero board. Extrude by 1/2 inch. Wow. .5. Sweet. T2.1 assembly. Oh, it's actually a higher up. Hold on. Just gotta go up. Hold on. By how far? I don't know, actually. Maybe just a little bit more. Like 0.5 minus 0.0625. Okay, that's too much. Minus 1 divided by 32. Oh, perfect. Don't you love going into the 30 seconds of an inch? It's incredible. Okay, well there's that. Leaves us plenty of room for that. And that is the bottom housing complete. Now I forget which cable. I think it's one of the other side cables. Oh man, I gotta like take a break. Holy moly. Stay hydrated, chat. Man, dude, we are having some nice weather this week. You know, last week I was complaining that it was too hot. This week is just beautiful. Like, this is, if I could have this weather all year long, I actually would take it. Maybe just a little bit cooler. That way I could wear khakis during the day instead of shorts. But this is beautiful. I love this weather. Oh, just this year, though. Everything, like, 2 years ago, I hated this kind of weather. Okay, now how do we want to do the guard? I guess let's just mess with some stuff here. Right, so let's take a sketch on the side. How big is the other guard? What's our distance here? I mean, the T2.0 is some. We don't really need that. What? Where's my other guard? Did I like delete it? Or did I just not put it in here? Oh, you know what? Actually, sorry, I went through and deleted it. I just did that like 10 minutes ago. Uh, 90-degree angle. Dang it. Just need it from the origin to there. An X of 6 inches. So I gotta go 6 inches out. Okay. So let's take a really, really basic one here. Like, we'll go really basic. Actually, yeah, we just go like this then. And then we'll throw in a fillet of like 1. It's kind of big. Maybe 0.5. .5 in the dimension from here to here is gonna be in a way 6.9. Sure, that sounds fantastic. Offset, 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 other way. Bam. Except we do actually need to go through and create actually a little bit of and then take it over. Take that. Whoops. No, align. Take that and dimension it over like that. Sweet. Okay, sweet. So there's that. Now we need to make a line there, line there, and that'll complete that. And then we'll get fancy with it, and we'll throw in a. Oh, that's really small. that's like nothing, honestly. Crap, there's no axis. How is there no axis? Can I not revolve? Fine. Take a sketch in the top. Make a very small circle. Extrude it just like an inch. And then we'll hide it. Loop revolve around the axis of that. Oh, but not all the way though. I don't want it all the way. That way. 180. Oh my god. Oh my. That actually looks that looks really sick. That actually looks really awesome. That's actually sick. What do they call that? They call that the... What do you call this? This is the face, the feature face. That's great, bright. The guard. Oh, what is the name of this? What is the name of the thing that... Oh, where's Josh when I need him? I don't know. Feature detail. It's got a name. Why isn't there like an axis at the origin? I just want to revolve it around the origin. Maybe I should do that. Awesome. Okay, so now let's see. We need to go figure out how this fits in with the assembly now. So let's bring this into the assembly. Ooh, and it's gray for now. Look at that. It's pretty sweet. Part 1, goodbye. Let me rename this. Okay, sweet. So we need to put holes that are... .5 across. Put holes here that are 2.5 across. So hopefully we have space for that. Hole, dimension. 2.5 across. Oh, we don't even have space for that. And let's just say that if this is the origin, let's say the origin is no, let's not do that. Let's just dimension these from Can I make this say like 1.5? Oh, perfect. Let's make it 1.75 for now. Perfect. And then we actually need to go take this from here. 1.25. Sweet. And then whole. Bam. Bam. Awesome. So now what we can actually do, take this, fasten the top of you to you. Oh, and chat, we have a guard. Now, I would like to make it well, I'm not sure. It definitely needs to go down though. Oh, that's awesome. I can just actually just move the whole thing. Just go down by like a little bit. This looks kind of weird back here. But it does look super sick. Let me actually go through and make this like 2.25. That mean, it at least fits over there, and it will. We can kind of like probably. Well, I think we'll arc all the bottoms down here. But that'll be. That's that. And with this here, now the only thing is, the origin is not there, right? So this, that needs to be a revolute. So here's what needs to happen though. Right, this gets here and it gets further away from there, and then it gets really close over here. Right, this needs to be like the same thing. So let's see if we can. Okay. How do you do this? Oh, you know what that is? I can't move that. That's actually a sketch. Let me. Okay, so if this. Okay, that's a good thing. I think we have to actually like redo this though. How can I do this? Ooh, I have an idea. Go back by 1.5. Okay, 1.5. I've got an idea. No, okay. Dimension that to be... No, not that. I don't want that. Come on, computer. 0.1. It's like really small. Okay, now we can vertical this. Dimension this to be 1.5. No. No. You know how we fix this? Ooh, Jesus. No, you know how we fix this? Watch. Here's how you fix it. And that's it, right? So now this entire thing goes right along the path out. Perfect. That's the guard. Then we gotta make a little bit of a thing for the actual thing to come out. Dimension, we'll just say like an inch. Extrude. Remove. Sweet. And then we'll like fillet this over here. There we go. Hey, Aditya. How you doing? Welcome back. Sweet. All right. How's that look? Oh, we need to have a spot for the bolt. Okay. I'll probably finish this up this week off stream and stuff like that. Where is that? Where is that bolt at, by the way? Oh, it's way here. It's way back there. All right, but that's pretty good. Look at that, chat. That's pretty good for an hour. We learned how to do this correctly. Made a better housing. So I will go through and finish this up, and eventually we'll make a video about it and stuff like that. So we'll make a video about this new trimmer, all the upgrades I'm doing. We'll make a video about how that guy actually won some money. So yeah, not bad, not bad. But chat, thank you for being here today. I appreciate it. Aditya, thank you for, hopefully I'm saying the name right. Aditya, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for chatting with me. That's no idea what it is though. So it is a grass. Let's go to the full camera. Bam! It's actually a grass weed whacker. So typically, a weed whacker is gas powered, but I made one that is electric. So it has an electric motor right here, with a giant battery somewhere else, and all these other cables that come out of it. So this is the housing that we redesigned. This is what it used to look like, and this big China kind of thing here like this, and now it is more along the lines of this. And then we didn't have a guard on the original one here, or the second version, but the next one will have a guard, which is what the giant gray thing is. So yeah, it's used for landscaping. If you look up like trimmer, like grass trimmer, or like weed whacker, you can find those. Let me see if I can find a picture of it. There's a video on couple videos on the channel about it, and stuff like that. If you're interested to know what this little thing is. But yeah, let's see. Like here's a picture. right? So it cuts the grass here. And stuff like that. This one looks pretty fancy. I do like that thing how it goes back though. We'll see. Maybe we can get that to arc around. That'd be kind of cool. But yeah, that is that. We'll see. It's very, very basic and doesn't even fit on the back. But you know what? It's a first prototype. We'll see. So, but chat, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. You're awesome. Thanks for chatting with me. Very cool, very cool. Thank you for watching the videos, chat. I really appreciate it. Thank you for choosing to watch a very, very small YouTuber. If it's very, very, very awesome of you to take a risk on me and subscribe and stuff like that. So, pretty cool. Chat, here is one of my favorite songs on Epidemic Sound. It's called The Light. It's by Ouya and Loving Caliber. Two of actually my favorite artists on here. It's very good. We need to go through and change the title. Oh, hold on. Let me change this one. Instead of saying welcome, it'll say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. That's not watching. The probably doesn't need to be capital. Alright, well chat, thank you for being here. Again, we're going to have a new video out on Wednesday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know what time that is for you, but it'll be out. And maybe we'll have a bonus video out on a Wednesday or something like that. On Monday or Friday. We'll see. I gotta try making some of those and stuff like that. So thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Here is The Light by Living Caliber. Have a good Saturday. Have a good Sunday, wherever it is for you. And I'll see you next time, chat.
I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.